First thing we're going to do is talk about distance, rate, and time. This is the equation that you're going to use to relate these three things. Your distance is equal to the rate, which is the same thing as a speed, is equal to the amount of time that you spend going at that rate. Okay? So distance equals rate times time. You're going to need to know this for the quiz. So let's say that a car is traveling 100 miles, and its rate or its speed, let's say, is 25 miles per hour. The question is, how many hours is it traveling? So what you want to do, I know you might know, but let's go ahead and substitute in. This is how you're going to do these types of problems. You're going to take these values, you're going to substitute them in the correct spot. Make sure you understand the difference between miles and distance, or the difference between distance, rate, and time. 100 miles is our distance, so we'd say 100 equals 25. When you have miles per hour, that's a rate. It's comparing two quantities. So 100 is equal to 25 times the time. We want to solve for time, so we're going to divide both sides by 25. Oops. Okay, we got a giant 1. Our time, who can raise your hand and tell me? Elijah?
4.
Yeah, 4 what?
4 hours.
Okay, our time is 4 hours. Okay, any questions? Raise your hand if you want me to do another one. Okay. Carly, you have an idea for one? Okay. So, let's say a boat travels a speed of 70 miles per hour for, I don't know, 7 hours. It's a lot. We want to know how far did it go. The question is how far did it go. That means we don't know the distance.
Yeah.
So we're going to say distance equals, well, we know our speed, that's our rate, so 70. We know 7 hours is a time, so we're going to multiply our rate times our time. I could do that in my head, but we could also come over here to the side and do our side work. It's 490 miles. So you're gonna have 2 pieces of information, and you're looking for a third. You're either missing a distance, a rate, or a time. You're going to substitute in the other values and solve for that missing value. Give me a head nod if that makes sense.